What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free items from the Minecraft Marketplace. The Minecraft Marketplace is a really useful feature that allows you to download skins, worlds, textures, add-ons, and many other types of content directly inside Minecraft. The best part is that I'll show you how to find and claim these items without spending any Minecoins. If you've played Minecraft Java Edition before, you probably know that you usually have to visit external websites to download custom content. However, with Minecraft Bedrock Edition, everything can be done directly from inside the game. First, open Minecraft and head over to the marketplace. When you enter, you'll notice that most of the items available require Minecoins, which are Minecraft's in-game currency. Normally, you would need to purchase Minecoins using real money by clicking the plus icon in the top right corner. But there is a simple trick that lets you browse only the free content available in the marketplace. To find free items, go to the top right corner and click on the magnifying glass icon. You don't need to type anything into the search bar. After opening the search section, click on the filter button, which looks like a small funnel icon. Now, select Pack Types. Here, you can choose the type of content you want, including skins, textures, add-ons, or worlds. For this example, I'm going to select Worlds and then choose All Worlds. After selecting your category, go back and disable any extra filters. Now, click on the Sort button in the top right corner and choose Price, Low to High. You may need to scroll down to find this option. Once you do that, Minecraft will show you the cheapest items first, meaning all the free items will appear before the paid ones. Now, you can browse through the list and choose any free item you like. For example, if I want to download this world, I simply click on it and then press the Free button in the top right.